the power of compound interest for passive income. Welcome to Passive Income and Beyond. Today, we'll explore how you can harness the power of compound interest to grow your passive income. Understand compound interest. Compound interest is the process where your earnings on an investment grow over time, not only from your initial investment but also from the interest already earned. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small, regular contributions can lead to significant growth over time. Reinvest earnings. To maximize the power of compound interest, reinvest your earnings rather than withdrawing them. This allows your money to grow exponentially. Choose high-yield investments. Invest in accounts or assets with high interest rates or returns to accelerate the compounding process. Stay consistent. Regular contributions to your investments, no matter how small, can significantly enhance the compounding effect. Be patient. Compound interest takes time to show its full impact. Stay patient and let your investments grow. By leveraging the power of compound interest, you can significantly boost your passive income over time. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.